ukoro kana nimeriirire mashabiki ao kwandikithia na maumirira mega itemi-ini ria mbitika-ini itanyiitwo gukorwo igithakwo wikendi ino. Timu ino iri na gikundi kana iria ya gikundi kimwe kia Trojans na Asonatist ni mbitika-ini iria itanyiitwo gukorwo igitabanĩrio mwena wa Eldoret na kuria ihuritwo njeki ni kambuni ya kamari ya Sport Pesa.
We have no reason not to perform. That's why we are in training right now, so that we can perfect on our mistakes that we had with the previous tournaments, so that we come out clean. I'm so happy at least we have this moment so that we can showcase our own talent out there, so that people can know what we have back home here. First, it's a big opportunity having this, and if we come up well in this tournament, first as the captain I'll be grateful to carry it home. And also it will be a good challenge to my team that whatever we've been pushing in the training, it has come up well in the game.
Yeah, it's a unique pool. Having Sigalagala in, it will be a bit of a challenge, I bet. But they will bring their best, we will bring our best. And at the end of the day, we will wish to be in quarters, then in semis. That's our biggest target. And because now we have the resources back at home, I don't see if it will be a challenge. Being at home, at least we will be having less challenges because from the previous circuit, we have been having a lot of challenges in traveling, accommodation, and it has been a hell of a journey. But we have traveled through the storm, and we are at home, in which we'll have to present the best of us. Eldoret has been a dormant place for rugby since Sepetuka, and this one will at least bring it live for our fans, the sponsors, and the neighborhood, which is the community of around sports club. We are really welcoming you guys to come and see the best. Rugby is back at home, rugby is back at the core.